All right. Sorry about that. Had to quickly restart stream because for some reason Godot didn't want to load again. And so when I restart my computer, it works just fine. So for today, I think I'm gonna do a shorter stream, probably only an hour long, because I am tired. So let's just get right into it. Might as well. All right, everything looks good. Okay. So last night we did these two obstacles slash puzzles. And so we did one for yellow, one for purple. So we have two for just yellow, three for just red, one for purple, and then we have one with all three, and then another with red and purple. So now I think uh which one should I do next? Got two yellow, three red, one purple. I guess another purple. But with what I have written down on my design documents, I've not made moving targets yet. Uh, yeah, I think the next one I could make moving targets. Because if I'm not mistaken, I could just take a moving block on its own. And I think if I just duplicate the scene, but first I need to. So, how am I going to look at my player script real quick? I want to look at if I set it up so that the projectile itself detects or the things colliding with it detect the projectile. I would assume the things colliding with it. Um, actually, hold on. Player bullet. Yep. I need to open up the bullet. Yeah. So, hmm, uh, this will have to be a moving area though, not a moving or an animatable. Hmm. I guess it doesn't matter because the static body 3D and the animatable body 3D are only different for that static body does not move the player when it moves, while the animatable body moves the player does. Um, hmm. I think I can just make this an area 3D. Well, obviously, I gotta duplicate the scene first. Uh, that, that. So I want to look at the wall button stuff later. Level, player level. I'm just silently thinking through it at the moment. Okay, okay, so first let's objects moving block, duplicate this to moving target, duplicate, open up moving target, the 3D view, take the animatable body, change its type to area, 3D, area 3D, there we go. Now the collision shape. I want it to be facing in the Z direction. So if I target, I could click that at least. Collision shape, let's do cylinder. Then radius of 2. Wait. Oh yeah. No, I would want diameter of 2. The radius of 1. Do I? I don't know. I'll have to check the size. Um, 2, 1. 2. Then transform 90. Okay. Let's drag this in, see its size. Yeah. Okay. So it does fit. Perfect. Of course I want to make it smaller. Go back to delete that for now. Yeah. Back to here. Make its height. I don't know. Let's do 0.5. Yeah, that works. So now this script, do I just get rid of this? Okay, obviously I'll need this stuff. So let me attach script, create new script, moving target. Scripts, switches. Yeah. Okay. Moving platform. Get moving block. Here we go. I want these three. Place these in first. And take these three. Or no. I just need path and animation. That. That. All right. Excuse me. Okay. Now, still a moving target. FL 3D and animation player. And if I go back here, copy this loop. Ready? Paste. And then, what else? Process function. There you go. Now, yeah, I'm yawning a lot. I'm tired. Okay, I've got the movement of this setup. That's fine. Now, uh, man, what am I doing next? I'm already losing track. Okay, oh yes, I need to detect area 3D. So what is bullets? You know, I could just look at per point. What does this do? If body is in group bullets on body entered. Okay. So let's do this. Copy that. Go back to the targets. Okay. Body entered. Connect. Paste here. Then, so this will just, it'll first delete the bullet. And now, um, do I make custom signals? I think I can make custom signals with each of these targets and then have it so that, okay, this target was shot, send out a custom signal to the main, to the script that is attached to the level, and then delete itself. And that signal will essentially just flip a boolean to be true. And then let's say once all of the target booleans are true, meaning once all of them were shot, uh, open up a pathway. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see a problem with that. All right. Okay, let's get work. Level. All right. Now let's create a little shooting gallery. Grid map. See. Hello? Why is this not moving? Okay. Guess I had to place down block first. There we go. Fill that in. Fill that in. Fill that in. Okay. Oh, come on. Whew. Slow but steady. I have no idea if it could reach that far. I think it could reach that far. I don't see why it shouldn't. I mean, might as well test it out right now. Leave this. Go ahead and play. Gotta unplug it and replug it. Just for Godot protect it. Then I'll do it again, I guess. There we go. I cannot tell. This? I can't tell if that reaches. All right, let's see. Try to face as forward as I can. Okay. It reaches that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Approximately 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yeah, so it does reach without timing out. All right, perfect. So that's at least a good distance. So now, how do I want to do this? Hmm. I could set up some holes. They have to time when they shoot through them. I don't want to make them too small because obviously this is from a third person view and I am not it's on controller, and I have no way of like setting something up to be more accurate. So at least through like 2x2 holes, that should be more than big enough to shoot some of these. So let's go back to grid map. Come on. Here we go. Okay. We could do that. Or hold on. Then we could do something like that. Then that. Fill this in. Put that there. I'm having trouble seeing the grid right now. There we go. Then it should be like that, right? Yeah. Oh, oh. So I'm thinking of having one moving side to side from here, one moving in about a circle pattern here, one moving up and down here. Then maybe uh don't quite that one going diagonal? I don't know. I have it here. Here? You know what? That seems good for now. Then Pull it back. No, come on. Pull it back one. Fill those two in. Perfect. Okay, so now let's go ahead and save. Get out of this. Then, so now we have a shooting gallery set up. And now, excuse me, what we can do is set up the targets. So, yes, I need to add a node 3D, obstacle 9. Here we go. And now, drag in a moving target. Perfect. Let's make them purple. Just so they stick out a little bit more. Match the color of the uh, character that needs to interact with them. Meshes, that's what it was. Material, quick load, tiny, save. There we go. Okay. Now, make sure to turn off loop for this one at least. And then I want to make these a little bit bigger. Let's make them a little bit bigger. So radius 1.25. There we go. Save. There we go. Okay. More leeway. I don't want this to be frustrating, obviously. I want it to be fun, but I want it to still be somewhat of a challenge. Then create a curve. Points 1, 2, 3. Take this position. -10. Oh, that's right. By -20, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Here we go. Okay. Loop is off. Now it should just be moving back and forth, right? Let's see. Nope, wrong arrow. The wrong arrow again, bud. Save. Play. Oh, I didn't have it delete itself. That's right. Um, Target script. Uh, self dot you free. All right, let's test this out now. Come on, man. Really? Hold on. What? Let's see. Huh. Body entered. Yeah. If body isn't group bullet, it is. Because it the hover point needs to look for bullets. Ugh, interesting. Let me try just putting in a print. See if that works. Comment this in group. So if I see target hit, that means it is working. Hold on, what? Huh, interesting. It's already telling the remote path to follow it. Oh, come on, let's go back. Go back here. Okay, if I go here and it activates, that means it's not following. Okay, so it is. Oh, maybe it's just not sticking out far enough. Interesting. And it said not in group, but that shouldn't be the case? Huh. Okay. Let's go ahead. Make this a little bit thicker. 0.75. 0.75. That absolutely hit. Okay, so it's detecting. Whoa, why is it not detecting my bullets? is detecting me, like my character body. Why isn't it detecting my bullets? Hover point. Oh, but I want to rename it. On body entered. Wait. On area 3D body. What? Talking about? I guess. Let me look at my bullet. It's a rigid body, and it activates the hover point. Why is it not activating the target? It's in the right group. Hmm. That is strange. At least know the area is also moving with the targets, because whenever I jump into the target while it's moving, it detects me and says not in group. Huh. What in the hell? Is it still just not? No, because if I shoot it right on the side, it's not detecting it at all. Oh, I'm stupid. The bullet exists on a different collision layer. Yep. Okay. So it should be looking for 8, right? Yes. 9. Is this on 9? I always forget that. Like, this is a really good tool for setting up different collision hierarchies, but it's just something you forget constantly. Okay. Now, if I shoot this, I think that just missed. Hold on, what? Okay. How did that not? Okay, so let's 0.8. Pull it down a little bit. Now, let's see. There we go. Okay. All right. Main target, script. Hold on. Where is my? Need to look at my wall button, which is wall button signal. Target hit. Don't need these anymore. 3. Wall button. Emit signal. Okay. Then Go ahead and save. Back to here. Got our moving block. Signals, target hit. R. Equal false. How many targets do I want in general? I think at least 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. So let's do. Whoa, hold on. Whoa. Oh, this is yeah. Okay, that's fine. Just realized the name was still moving block. Save. I might have to rename this as well. Yeah. Moving targets. Freaked me out for a second. Ooh, excuse me. Okay. Duplicate. Move the curve. Start up here. I close it. I can't tell. No. Wait. Close curve. There we go. Okay, that works. Let's move this. Nope. Go back here. Back. Okay. Now points. 0, 0, 0. Sure. -8. 0. Wait, no. -4. 0. There we go. 0. Nope. Then you. Are they connected? No. What's the point of closing? Oh, there we go. 4, 0. Save. Turn looping on. the speed down to 1. Save. Yeah, this one looks. I'm freaking out. Yeah, it's pretty fast. Go ahead and stop that for now. But let's go ahead. Oh, oh, I see. Well, how do I make these curved? Not. Oh, no. Options. I mean, I guess it's fine. I don't need it to be like a perfect oval or anything. Need to make it slower. I play. Is that slower? I can't tell. Put it back up to 2. Save. Play. Yes, it is slower. Okay. So 0.1. 1. There's 2. Okay. Oh, so that's good so far. Duplicate this. Moving target 3. Move the curve. Place it. Oh, yes, perfect. Speed up the camera a little bit. And then you know what? Let's just have it be like this. Okay. Empty curve. Sorry, my headphones died again, even after having them plugged in all day. So either the battery shot after getting these, after having these for not even a month. I got these on Christmas, or the charging cable I'm using is not the right one. Oh well, guess we're just gonna stay plugged in for now. Okay, to add the points, right? Click there, there, there. Whoa, why did it happen there? Why is it happening there? Hello? Okay. All right. Turn off loop for this one too. Put this back to like 0.7. Then take a look at these points. 0, 0, 0, -8, -2, 0. Yep. The last one, -8, 10, 0. Perfect. Then let's take this last one. Mm-hmm. Move this. Drag this over here. Perfect fit. New curve. This one is going to be on a loop. Set this back down to 0.25. Save. And then add. That's centered. It is. And add. Then close loop. Perfect. Curve points 0, 0, 0, -6, 0. Wait, I'm sorry. What? 6, -4, -2? No, 0. Yep. Okay. Let's see how each of them look. Not this. I actually want to make this 0.1. Make it. Oh, no. Okay. Change this back to 0.8. Save. And then let's add some. Like, oh, whoa. Wait. Oh, I want to reset the speed scale. Add a second layer. That's correct. I cannot tell if that is. Oh, it is right side up. Okay. Uh, Sorry, I'm a little bit quiet. I was just like hyper focusing on on the blocks that I was placing. So right now, what I'm doing, I'm just setting up stuff for some specific targets. Obviously, you could be like, well, why can't they just like walk in there and shoot them? Yeah, they could do that, but maybe I like say as a note, it's like try to play it as like a shooting gallery, not just like go in there and shoot it. I guess I could put blockers. I'll figure it out. I'll just work on it for now. That boom, 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 boom. Okay. I can have this upper ramp here because that'll actually be detrimental for this part. Over here, okay, let me do this here. Then trying to block the player's ability to enter without blocking their ability to shoot. I do this. Let me playtest this. If I can actually shoot these things. Okay, so obviously this down here is fine. Oh no, I can't. Okay, well, that's a bust for now. So I got to get rid of all this. Grid map. Wait, need anything important? I guess this block right here. Okay, let's get rid of the. I guess I need them. Nope. Save. Okay, so I should be able to shoot all of them now. Question is, I still need to set up the signals. So, excuse me. Uh, yes, get out of grid map. Okay. All right. Moving target one. Node. Target hit. Connect. Puzzle. Yes. Target hit one. Two. Three. Four. Three. Four. Save. Now. One equals true. Save. Like this. Like this. This. Okay. Target two equals true. Let me just copy this. Paste. Paste. Three. Four. Okay. Each of them are true. Then for now, let's just put process mode. No. How do I send this out? How do I send the signal out once? Or activate something once? Are all targets hit, hit, hit. Cool equals, come on, false, save, func, process, if all targets hit. And and target 1 hit, and target 2 hit, and target 3 hit, and target 4 hit. All targets hit equals true. And then for now we'll just print a message because I'm gonna set it up after all these obstacles are made to where each of them give you an emerald, which is my version of a golden banana or a jiggy or a power star. So all targets hit equals true. Print emerald spawn. Okay, now let's test this out. Go, so 2, 3. Maybe I do make them a little bit smaller now. 4. Emerald spawn. Perfect. All right, so that worked. Let me make these slightly smaller again. Go back to moving target. Mesh instance. 1, 1. Higher shape. Save. Then let's have these move slightly faster. So this one, 0.8, 0.85. 0.1, 0.15, 1, 5. This one, 0.15. Okay, so now it's a little bit harder. They're slightly smaller and a little bit faster. I think that'll be a decent challenge and fun enough. So I am going to relax for the rest of the night in about hour and 10 minutes. So thank you for anybody stopping by. And if you're watching the VOD, thank you for watching and hope you all have a good night.